How to improve vision. Good vision gives us maximum information about the world around us. Therefore, we try to preserve it for as long as possible. But what to do if your vision does begin to deteriorate? You can figure this out on your own, but a specialist will find the cause faster. Restore vision at home. Many people wonder whether it is possible to restore vision without surgery or correction with glasses. Let us answer, if serious changes have occurred in the structure of the eye, then it is impossible. However, there are exercises that can help reduce eye strain, strengthen the eye muscles and reduce eye strain. They can be done at home or in the office. They do not restore visual function, but greatly support eye health. Gymnastics for the eyes. Exercise is a great way to relieve eye strain. The exercises are easy to do because do not take much time, it is enough to perform gymnastics for 5 minutes. No special training required. You can perform it in any place convenient for you. Gymnastics is useful for all ages. There are general complexes that are suitable for every person, and there are special ones aimed at a specific visual impairment. What are the benefits of eye exercises? Relieve fatigue. Train and strengthen the eye muscles. Improve blood circulation in the eyes. But we must remember that gymnastics can only cope with visual fatigue, it is not capable of getting rid of myopia or farsightedness. This is due to structural deviations from the norm. For example, the eyeball is longer or shorter than expected, which exercise cannot affect. You can choose gymnastics yourself, but it's better to work with a specialist. He will prescribe a specific complex for your vision characteristics or for eye diseases. Stereograms. To train vision, stereograms have been created, 3D images with encrypted pictures. They are helping relieve tired eyes. Train accommodation, the ability to see objects well at different distances. Maintain binocular vision, both eyes working together. Stereograms can be static or dynamic, moving. The latter are the most complex and are suitable for those who are already good at simple 3D pictures. If you're just starting to train, start with static images. How to view stereograms correctly. What do you need to do to see the encrypted picture? The article on stereograms details ways to see a hidden element in an image. It is recommended to combine vision training using stereograms with eye exercises. If you feel discomfort during the exercise, this is quite natural, since the eye muscles will have to get used to such a load. But if unpleasant sensations appear with every workout, and you can't decipher the picture, contact a specialist. You need to check your binocular vision. Nutrition to improve vision. The condition of our eyes is influenced by lifestyle and diet. Vision may deteriorate if the body lacks certain vitamins and minerals. A. Retinol. B. Vitamins, B1, B2 and B12. C. Ascorbic acid. E. Tocopherol. Lutein. Beta-carotene. As a rule, with a balanced diet, problems with vitamin deficiency do not arise. But if you eat food that is poorly enriched with useful elements, consult your doctor. He will prescribe vitamin complexes for vision. Before this, you will need to take tests to check for a deficiency of specific microelements. If you take vitamins without prescription, complications are possible, for example, hypo or hypervitaminosis, as well as allergic reactions. Restoring vision with glasses and contact lenses. Modern medicine offers various ways to restore good vision with the help of glasses and contact lenses. Even the most complex disorders can be corrected without surgery. Correction with glasses. The most common vision changes are nearsightedness, myopia, and farsightedness, hyperopia, which can be corrected with glasses, even more than 10 diopters. And also all types of astigmatism, simple, complex and mixed up to 6 diopters. Previously, for people with a high degree of impairment, there were aesthetic problems, spectacle lenses were too thick and severely distorted the eyes. They also blurred the image in the peripheral zone, along the edge of the lens. Today, manufacturers offer different types of spectacle lenses to eliminate these shortcomings. Aspherical, provide less image distortion than conventional lenses and look neat in the frame. Individual, distortions are reduced on the entire surface of the lens, and are as aesthetically pleasing as possible. Optical specialists select spectacle lenses for comfortable vision and take care of the aesthetics of future glasses. Traditional medicine knows many plants that have a positive effect on human vision. Among them there are those that can be used both for recovery and for prevention. Restoring vision is always a comprehensive approach. In addition to special exercises to preserve and improve vision, the use of folk remedies will be a huge help in this matter. So, what foods should you eat and what folk recipes should you use to restore your vision? Blueberries are the most important summer berry for vision. Everyone has heard about the benefits of blueberries for restoring vision. It's not without reason that a huge number of blueberry-based dietary supplements are produced. But it is natural berries that are most useful. Blueberries improve blood circulation in the retina, effectively relieving tension and spasm of the optic nerve. By regularly eating blueberries, we maintain and improve visual acuity, and also protect our eyes from harmful environmental factors. Carrots are useful for myopia, conjunctivitis, blepharitis, fatigue and pain in the eyes. This vegetable is a good remedy for preventing degeneration and deterioration of vision with age. Carrots also improve twilight vision, eliminating the so-called night blindness. Carrot tops also help restore vision, and you can eat them plain or add them to salads. Fresh herbs, parsley, spinach, dill, cilantro, celery, onions. In the mountainous regions of Russia, greens are added to almost any dish. But you rarely see a Caucasian centenarian wearing glasses. This indicates the effectiveness of greenery in protecting vision. It's simple, greens are life. Greens contain a huge amount of vitamins and elements that have a positive effect on the human body, including vision. Honey plus strong tea. Stir honey in strong tea, drop 5 drops into each eye, then it is advisable to lie down for a while. This folk remedy relieves inflammation in eye diseases and generally has a positive effect on vision. Wheat sprouts and sprouts are extremely beneficial for maintaining and improving vision. An infusion of horsetail, namely by washing the eyes with this infusion, calms a nervous tic, removes the pain and feeling of sand in the eyes. This folk remedy for improving vision helps those who spend a lot of time at the computer. Recipe: pour 1 tablespoon of horsetail into 1 glass of water, then boil for 30 minutes. Ready. You can wash your eyes with this infusion, or apply warm cotton pads soaked in it to your eyelids.